Hello friends, welcome again to today's vlog. So I'm saying good morning to every one of you wherever you are, and saying good morning to you. So this is another day, and this is Tuesday, and today we are going for immunization. My baby is up to 41 days, so we are going to take our second injection, and I think they are going to be giving her five vaccine. I don't know how we are going to be sleeping today, because I know the crying is going to be much. I'm so sorry for the background noise. They are working on the site, so we need to start preparing before the clinic will close for today. So if you're not able to get it today, Tuesday, that means till Thursday. So I don't want that to happen. So guys, I'm going to be putting on this outfit. This is the shorts. So that is what I'm going to be putting on in our outing of today. So let me just go ahead and start dressing up. My baby is already crying. So guys, one of my fans gave me this carrier. This is a new baby carrier. She's my fan, my number one fan, and she's also my sister. So she gave me this carrier. That is what I'm going to be using to carry my baby. You can see this carrier is very, very lovely. I'm going to be using it to carry my baby. My baby is crying. Oh, let me just go attend to my baby. So guys, I was able to wear my shorts. My baby does not want me to dress up, and she's already dressed up. So this is the outfit she'll be putting on. You can see my baby. See her face. Mama, say hello. Hello, everybody. See. Oh, my baby is crying. Say hello. Hello, everybody. Hope you're feeling fine. That means we are going to be leaving here by 10 o'clock, because this baby does not want me to dress up, and there's nobody at home, just me and my baby. I have to let me just see how to calm her down. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. See her face. See her face, oh. See her face, oh. See somebody that is crying. Oh. My baby is crying, oh. Who beat her, oh? Suck now. Oh, yeah, take your breast, take your breast. So guys, we're already sucking breast, and this is 10 o'clock in the morning. That means we are going to be leaving here by 11, because this baby, I don't understand how. She just want to keep on eating. Yeah? You finish breastfeeding her now. The next thing, she wants formula. Oh, yeah, suck now. Sorry. So we are going late. Eh? We are going late. We ought to have been there very early in the morning. We are still at home. Oh. God. Yes. Dance. Mama, let me just prepare now, okay? Allow me, let me prepare. Thank you. So guys, inside my bag I have this, and inside this I have the baby feeder, because I'm going to be feeding my baby. So my baby is taking formula and breast milk, so that's why I have it there. And I'm also going with my bottled water, most importantly the card. So I'm going with the card also, and also baby diaper, okay? And I'm going to be carrying this bag. So this is the total bag I'm going to be using to put all of this. This is the bag. Put it this way. How do I look, guys? I think I love this carrier. See, I love this carrier so much. I just want to say thank you again to my greatest fan that's gave me this carrier. I want to say God will bless you. I love the carrier so much. It's so helpful, like stress-free. See, but I'm just going to support this with one hand, okay? So I always advise you to support it with one hand like this. So guys, we are off to the hospital. We're already running late, and I don't know if they will allow me to make some videos in the clinic. I don't know, but if they do, I will try my best to carry you guys along, okay? So for now, let's go. Gotcha. Are you still there? Ah, bye-bye. It's okay now. You don't want to suck breast. So guys, we are back and my baby is really disturbing. 5 vaccine. Everywhere is paining this baby. With both legs. They gave her at both legs. Today I'm going to hear Shege. Shege banga. It's okay now. Food is coming. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, man. Mama, say hi. It's okay. It's okay. I've given her breast. She's removing her mouth. So I just want to give her this milk. Oh, see. See how this girl is eating as if she have not eaten about 5 days now. Or even since morning. Guys, see. Are you hearing the sound? So. Oh yeah, so. It's like it's very hot. It's very hot. Oh yeah. So. Baby Trinity can eat for Africa. I'm telling you. See. She's already looking for the food. Oh my see. Yeah. See. As you take it. Oh, yeah, take that. Oh, my baby like food for Africa. Sit well. You are not sitting well. Everywhere they pain me. Sorry. I don't even know how to carry this girl again because the both legs are seriously paining her. Sorry. Oh yeah, sorry. Sorry, yeah, forgive me. Sorry. Eat and go and sleep, okay? My baby. Eat and go and sleep. Oh. So guys, we just came back and I was trying to pull off my clothes, but my baby was seriously disturbing. Said he's a 5 vaccine. I just pray we'll be able to sleep tonight. I don't know if it's just my baby or is that how all babies behave? Especially that 41 days injection. She has been crying since from clinic. I've given her breast and she said she doesn't want breast. So that is why I have to prepare this formula for her so that she'll be able to drink. Let me see if it will calm the pain. I don't know if I'm supposed to give her paracetamol. I asked one of the nurses and she was like, if you want to. And I was, why can't you just tell me as a nurse? Should I or I should not? I think this formula is really going to work for us today. So I started again. It's okay. You have to finish it. I thought you are done now. So you're just resting. So my baby can eat for Africa. No, you're just resting. Oh man. See how she's looking at me. This my baby can eat. Breast milk is not enough for this baby. So we have to combine formula for her. Breast milk is not enough. and she's lashing well, oh, but I don't know why the breast milk is not enough for. Is it that I'm not producing enough milk or what? It's like she's not okay. I don't know. See, she's almost finishing this. You can see how my baby can eat for Africa. Hey, this is Nan 1, and we just got this Nan 1. Today is Tuesday, and we bought it on Friday. Just see, just see. It's almost finishing. You can see, and this is just 41 days. She has drank up to 4 cans. This is the 4th one. She's breastfeeding, oh. It's not as if she's not breastfeeding, oh. But she have drank up to 4 cans of this Nan 1. So very soon now, I think we'll be taking Nan 2. I don't know. So when is the appropriate time to take Nan 2? Because yeah, they said when are they supposed to take it, sir? This one, they said even up to 3 months they can still be taking Nan 1. But some people are saying up to 2 months you can start giving the baby Nan 2. So I'm just confused. I don't know the right time to start Nan 2 for her. So this baby, she they eat. If it's just breastfeeding, that means by now I would have turned to Tristic. This Nan that you are saying, this formula, 12k, and this is the 4th one, and this is just 41 days. We're not even up to 2 months, not 3 months. God will keep providing, in Jesus' name, amen. Mama, say pom pom. Say pom pom. See how she's still sucking it as if she have not eaten before. See, when I see you, when I see my baby, oh. It has finished. It has finished. How will I carry you now again? This injection now will not allow me to carry you where? You have no belt, you should be no. Mama, sleep now. Okay, let me just look for something to eat. And I'll be right back. It's okay now. It's okay now. Let me eat. God, oh, this food will not enter my stomach well. Sleep now. You're saying So guys, I'm done eating and I'm trying to make this baby sleep. The baby does not want to sleep. My baby does not want to sleep. Mama, say hello now. People should tell her to stop disturbing me. I don't know what she wants again. I'm tired. Mama, sleep. Me too, I'm even feeling sleepy. See my eyes. See your mouth. Mama, what do you want again? Hey God, is that how this injection used to be? Yeah? To make them restless or what? See what she's doing. She does not want to sleep. Mama, sleep now. Yeah, sleep. Is this how Gen Z children used to behave? Oh, Chineke. God help me, oh. God help me, oh, eh? God help us, 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 oh. God help us, oh. Okay, let me make her sleep. I just hope she will sleep. Let me just try and make her sleep. I'm so tired, like seriously. So guys, after taking the formula, my baby was still crying. She does not want to sleep, so I have to just breastfeed her. The breast that she does not want to take before, she's not taking it. You see all these Gen Z children, they just like spending money, like money and water for them. You buy formula, they will still be taking breast milk. I don't know if it's just my baby or I'm just asking that question. Or are people still doing exclusive at this time? As in, like, are they exclusively breastfeeding their baby at this time? Because it's like these Gen Z children now, they can eat. Because I feel sometimes maybe breast milk is not always enough for them, and that is why they're not always satisfied. So we are breastfeeding now. She's not even sleeping. Just take a look at my baby. She's not sleeping. See, her eyes is opened. Don't want to sleep. Sleep now, please. Me too, I need rest. See, I need to arrange my house. See, We have to scatter everywhere before leaving because I was looking for a clothes to wear. You can see how I scatter everywhere before leaving. So I want to start arranging it now. My time is going, Mama. Hey, God help me, let this girl sleep so that I will have time for myself. Sleep now so that I have time for myself, yeah? Though I'm begging her to sleep, so that I'll have time to rest. Feeling sleepy, like really feeling sleepy. Mama. Good morning. This is another day. We slept so well yesterday night. I was thinking my baby is going to disturb because of the injection, but I was so surprised. She slept so well. Like, I don't know if there is sleeping medicine in that injection, in that vaccine. For a very long time now, we have not been sleeping well. But last night we slept very well, and I'm really happy, guys. And again, today my kids are coming back from boarding school, so we are expecting them now. Very soon they'll be here. I think they are very close by to our estate, and I've tried my best. I've tidied everywhere. You can see there is no light, so I'm just using my rechargeable light for now. So I've tidied everywhere up, make sure everywhere is looking clean. You can see sparkling clean, and my baby is here, so you can see this cutie baby. See my cutie baby, guys. Mama, say hi. Mama, say hi now. Say hi. You guys will be expecting my kids now. I just want to go and take my bath. We have started disturbing again. Mama, I want to suck breast. What suck breast? Eh? Madam there? Your sister and brothers are coming back, so you better be happy. No more crying again. This my postpartum experience is so stressful and challenging because right now I'm the only one carrying my baby, me and my husband, so it has not really been easy for me, and that is why you see my hair looking this way like this. I actually plaited this myself. So guys, let me just go and clean up and attend to my baby. I was actually inside and they came in. See them. Say hello. Hey. There's no light. We don't have light. Everywhere is so dark.
See my baby. See my own baby.
Maybe you should bring your face here. Let it show. Mama, bring your face. These are my kids. They are back.
Yes, I'm your kids too.
Oh, yeah, excuse me.